So my dear student, this is all about question number 10. Equal stone of magnesium ribbon are taken in test tube A and B. Hydrochloric acid HCl is added to test tube A. When acetic acid is added to test tube B, amount and concentration taken for both the acid are same in which the test tube is occur. The fizzing will occur strongly in test tube A in which hydrochloric acid HCl. This is because HCl is stronger than CH3 so acetic acid and therefore produces hydrogen gas at a faster speed due to which fizzing will occur. Question number 11. Question number 11. Fresh milk. Fresh milk has a pH of 6. Has a pH of 6. How do you think that pH will changes? How do you think that pH will change? pH will change as it turns into curd. As it turns into curd. And explain your answer. Explain your answer. The question is asking that you give the explanation of your answer also. So, a milk, the pH of milk is 6. The pH of milk is 6. As it changes to curd, as it changes to curd, as it changes to curd, the pH will reduce because curd is, the pH is reduced because the curd is acidic in nature. Acidic in nature, the acid present in it decrease the pH. The acid present in it decrease the pH. In it decrease the pH. So this is all about the question number 10 and question number 11. 12, 13, 14 and 15 I am going to teach you. 12, 13, 14 and 15. Today I am going to complete the acid, bases and salt. I promise you that I will start from the after Vijaya Dasmi, the chapter number 3. So I will start. So question number 12. Question number 12. A milkman adds a very small amount of baking soda to fresh milk. Okay. Why does he shift pH of the fresh milk from 6 to alkaline? Why does this milk take a long time to? Why does this milk take a long time to sit as curd? The answer is the milkman shift the pH of the milk and shifts the pH of the fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkaline because in alkaline condition, because in alkaline condition, milk does not set as curd easily. Does not set as curd easily. This is the answer one. The milkman shift the pH they does not set easily. Since the milk of slightly basic, since the milk is slightly basic, basic than usual milk, acids produced to set the curd. Acid produce the curds are neutralized by the curds are neutralized by the base. Therefore, it takes a longer time for the curd to set. Question number 13. Plaster of Paris should be stored in a plaster of Paris should be stored in a moisture proof container. Why? Plaster of Paris POP should be stored in a plaster of Paris POP should be stored in a moisture proof container because plaster of Paris a powdery mass, POP a powdery mass absorbs water under bracket moisture to form a hard solid known as gypsum. The reaction is CSO4 half H2O plus 1 by 2 H2O. It reacts to give CSO4 into 2H2O. CSO4 into 2H2O. That is POP water and that is gypsum. Hard solid. So my dear student, the milkman saved the pH of warm milk from 0 to 6 alkaline because in alkaline condition milk does not set as curd easily. Since the milk is slightly basic than usual milk, acid produced the curds are neutralized by the base, therefore it takes a longer time. And the POP should be stored in a moisture-proof container because POP has a hard powdery mass absorb water to form a hard solid known as gypsum. That is the reaction. So question number 13 is completed. Now the question number 14 and question number 15. Question number 14 and question number 15. So my dear student, I am going to teach you the question number 13 and question 14 and question number 15. Question number 14 and question number 15. Question number 14 and question number 15. What is a neutralization reaction? Give two example. What is a neutralization reaction? Give two examples. What do you mean by the neutralization reaction? A reaction in which acid and base, a reaction in which an acid and a base react with each other to give a react to each other react with each other to give a react with each other to give a salt and water, to give a salt and water is known as neutralization reaction. In this reaction, energy revolves in the form of heat. In this reaction, energy is evolved in the form of heat. Give two examples. First one is NaOH plus HCl. This is base, this is acid. To give salt, NaCl plus H2O, sodium chloride, and water. Second is during indigestion cause due to the production of excess caused due to the production of excess of hydrochloric acid of HCl in the stomach. We administer antacid. Generally milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia, MgOH2. Milk of magnesia, MgOH2, which is basic in nature. So, my dear student, the antacid neutralizes the excess of acid. The antacid neutralizes the excess of acids, and thus gives relief from indigestion. So the reaction is MgOH2 plus 2HCl, MgCl2 plus H2O, milk of magnesia, acid, magnesium chloride, and water. Magnesium hydroxide. So the reaction in which an acid and base react with each other as salt and water is known as Newton reaction. In this reaction, energy was in the form of heat. That is the first reaction. And that during reaction to production of excess of HCl in stomach, we admire antacid, generally milk of magnesium, which is basic in nature. The antacid neutralizes the excess of acid and thus gives the indigestion. So this is all about the excessive use of antacids, and this is the examples of titration reaction and the definition of neutralization. Now I am going to teach you the last question of this chapter. The last chapter of this chapter is question number 15. The question number 15, give two important use of washing soda and baking soda. Give two important use of washing soda and baking soda. Give two important use of question number 15. Give two important use of question number 15. Give two important uses of washing soda and baking soda. This is the last question. The two important uses of washing soda and the two important uses of washing soda and baking soda are as follows. Washing soda. First one is washing soda. The formula of washing soda. The formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2O. Na2CO3 10H2O. Na2CO3 10H2O. Na2CO3 10H2O. It is used in glass open paper industry. It is used in glass, soap and paper industries. It is used to remove permanent hardness of water. It is used to remove permanent hardness of water. Baking soda. The uses of baking soda, that is formula NaHCO3. The uses of, it is used as baking powder. It is used as baking powder. Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda. Baking powder is a mixture baking soda and a mild acid known as tartaric acid. When it is heated or mixed in, when it is heated or mixed in water, it releases CO2 that makes bread or cake fluffy. that makes great power fluffy. It is used in soda acid fire extinguisher. It is used in soda acid fire extinguishers. So my dear student, this is the last question of NCERT questions. Acid, bases and salt. Give two important uses of washing soda and baking soda. The two important uses of washing soda and baking soda are as follows. Washing soda Na2CO3 into 10H2O. It is used in glass, soap and paper industries. It is used to remove permanent hardness of water. Baking soda, it is used in baking powder. Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda, is a mild acid known as tartaric acid. When it is heated or mixed in water, reduces CO2 that makes fluffy bread or cake. It is used in soda acid fire extinguisher. So this is all about the chapter number 2 is going to be. This is completed chapter number 2. Acid, bases and salt. So my dear student, I am going to teach you the this is my WhatsApp number. Those students who want to be crash courses, the fees is only 1000 rupees. The fees is only 1000 rupees. The crash courses start from November to December. For all the chapter there is 400 questions. Multiple choice, very short and long answer with the reaction. So my dear student, thank you for watching my video. Be prepared for the ready for the board examination. Give more views, like and share to my channels and my videos to those students who are very needy. So thank you for watching my videos. Suryaranand Chemistry Wala Teaching. Thank you. Best of luck for exam.